Hey, what's up guys, I am Tik and you are watching Tic Tac. Today we talk about 5 cool gadgets that blow your mind. As usual, all the links to the products you will find in the description below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Always be prepared with the EverRatchet Keychain multi-tool, featuring a dynamic ratchet beam, which means you don't need to lift and reset the tool between each turn. As a result, this multi-tool allows you to conquer those large fixes in a fraction of the time. The tool includes a fire flint, pry ball, bottle and box opener, scraper, 7 wrenches and more. Highly functional and durable, the EverRatchet is strong enough for any job. I think you must purchase this gadget. Turn your haircut into a DIY project. This self-haircut kit has everything you need for a quality haircut at home. The ergonomic design fits comfortable in your hand and the curved blade works with the natural shape of your head, so self-haircuts are comfortable and precise. Plus, it is 57% wider than the standard haircut clipper, so you can get the job done fast. Lithium power provides 40 minutes of runtime after a 4-hour charge. I think it is the best gift for you and your friends. Are you looking for an easy and convenient way to tackle your freshly projects? Then Shaker Mini Chainsaw is the right choice for you. It's a lightweight, powerful tool that packs a punch, perfect for both professional and DIY wires alike. With its ergonomic design and long-lasting battery, this chainsaw helps you to save time and energy when it comes to tackling projects both big and small. The Shaker Mini Chainsaw is equipped with a 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time. Strengthens your mobile glass on a molecular level with this 3-graded liquid glass. It is a nano coating that is 500x thinner than the human hair and invisible to the naked eye. It works with all cases and accessories. It is easy to apply on all glass screens. Simply wipe it on, let it dry and buff it off. It will cure on and into your glass over the next 24 hours, making it stronger on a molecular level. It works on tablets, phones and all other devices with glass screens. Free your hands from holding a torch with these LED flashlight gloves. It is made from breathable and stretchy material, makes you feel soft, which fits your hands perfectly. The included battery works last 30 hours and can be replaced. These gloves are suitable for fishing, hiking, camping, cycling and other outdoor night activities. I think it is the best gift for dad and family friends. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.